Welcome to Smart Finance with Yemi Oseni. Hard truth. Motivation is unreliable. Discipline burns out. Talent fades without direction. But wealth grows through momentum. Today, I introduce a brand new wealth framework, the Financial Momentum Engine, TM. This system explains how to build income that keeps moving forward, even when you rest. Section 1. What is financial momentum? Momentum is wealth in motion. Action, result, reinforcement, repeat. When momentum exists, work feels lighter, confidence rises, income becomes predictable. Without momentum, efforts die, goals stall, money remains unstable. Section 2. The 4 cylinders of the momentum engine. Cylinder 1. Clarity. Your financial target must be precise. Exact income goals, timeline, asset priorities. Vague goals cannot generate momentum. Cylinder 2. Consistent output. Momentum flows when daily value is released. Content, learning, selling, creation. Consistency fuels movement. Cylinder 3. Result loop. Small wins create belief. Belief fuels more action. Action compounds income. Win cycles accelerate momentum. Cylinder 4. Leveraged delivery systems replace willpower. Automation. Funnels. Platforms. Delegation. Leverage sustains motion beyond human effort. Section 3. Why most people never build momentum because they stop between results. They seek comfort instead of cycles. Momentum needs continuation, not perfection. Section 4. How to start your engine. 1. Pick 1. Scalable wealth system. 2. Commit to daily visible output. 3. Track results publicly. 4. Build automation early. Start small, but never stop. Section 5. Signs your engine is running. Opportunities increase, confidence stabilizes, income climbs gradually, focus sharpens, your brand grows, money becomes predictable. Conclusion. Wealth ignores motivation and rewards momentum. Start your engine and never let financial motion stop. The Financial Momentum Engine TM.